The 2020-2023 Mazda CX-9 cabin air filter is located behind the passenger side glove compartment. Its purpose is to filter dust, pollen, and pollutants from entering the cabin, improving air quality. A clogged filter can reduce HVAC efficiency and cause musty odors. You'll know it's time to replace the filter if you notice weak airflow, unusual noises from the vents, or lingering odors. The standard size is approximately 8.5 by 6 by 0.75 inches. Changing the filter yourself can save you $50 to $100 compared to professional service. Begin by turning off the vehicle and ensuring the air conditioning is off to ensure safety during the replacement process. Open the glove box on the passenger side to access the filter housing. Detach the damper stops that hold the glove box open, usually by squeezing the tabs or unscrewing if necessary. Lower the glove box fully to expose the area behind it. Locate the filter housing cover, which is a plastic panel secured by clips or screws. Remove the cover by releasing the clips or unscrewing the screws. Pull out the old filter, taking note of the arrows indicating the airflow direction for proper reinstallation. Insert the new filter with the arrows pointing in the correct direction. Incorrect filter orientation can reduce efficiency by up to 50%. Reassemble all components in reverse order to complete the replacement. No special tools are typically needed, though a screwdriver might be required for some screws. Replace the filter every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or annually, more frequently in dusty environments. A 2022 CX-9 owner reported a 30% improvement in cabin air freshness after replacing a clogged filter. AAA and AC certified mechanics recommend annual checks for optimal vehicle maintenance.